Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in an XL trim and powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, here you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck. And then looking in the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders as well as a 12-volt and two USBs, so they can plug something in there. And looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, looking at the right side of the steering wheel where you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left where you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and auto start stop status. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off and cut down on emissions to save you some, or shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. And then you do also have your display mode with tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and distance to empty. You have your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and a small cubby here. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet, as well as another one down here with a USB and a little shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever you want to do there. Do also have vinyl flooring throughout the vehicle, so no need to worry about a carpet that's going to get all stained. Moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, and sport modes. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, cubby, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then underneath that, you actually have another compartment for even more storage, so plenty of room in this truck, but that should cover our look at the interior. But now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.